Today is a big day that marks a significant milestone as we receive our MRI components, including the strong magnet and other important mechanical parts. These pieces were carefully transported to protect the superconducting magnet, which is pre-cooled with liquid helium to maintain its critical low temperatures and to work properly. Once the magnet reaches superconducting temperatures, we gradually start energizing it by slowly introducing electrical current into the coils, creating the magnetic field. This process will be done carefully to avoid any sudden loss of superconductivity, which could be dangerous. The ramp up is closely monitored for stability and temperature, and it can take several hours. After the magnetic field is at full strength, we perform shimming to ensure the field is as uniform as possible. This involves using specialized equipment to map the magnetic field and to make necessary adjustments. We will repeat this process until the field meets the required uniformity standards. The uMR 670 is a 1.5 Tesla wide-bore MRI system that enhances performance, reliability, and patient comfort. This system features UAI-FI deep recon, which brings 3 Tesla-like image quality using cutting-edge deep learning for exceptional image clarity. Additionally, the UAI-FI EasySense system offers groundbreaking contactless respiratory motion monitoring solution, making abdominal scans more accurate and improving the overall patient experience. With these innovations, the uMR 670 delivers sharper images, quiet full body scanning, and precise respiratory monitoring without the need for a belt. This results in high resolution, reliable imaging, and a more efficient workflow, all ensuring maximum comfort for patients. What is interesting that today are exactly 9 months since I signed the contract with United Imaging for this MRI. It's just like a pregnancy. We have been eagerly anticipating this delivery. The journey to bring this technology to life has been challenging, but I am thrilled to see it all coming together. Knowing that we will soon be able to serve our patients with this state-of-the-art technology makes all the effort truly worthwhile. I couldn't be happier to see this vision turning into reality. Are you excited to see next steps? Please subscribe to my channel